Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basic prerequisites: a dry roofline, sealed penetrations, and measurable baseline humidity. First, locate gaps, roof leaks, and cold spots with a flashlight and moisture meter. Once found, seal screw heads, flashings, and wall-to-foundation joints with appropriate sealant and tape. Make sure to maintain continuous intake and exhaust pathways. At the same time, open or install vents sized to building volume so air can move. This prevents stagnant humid pockets that trigger sweating. Next, focus on the middle steps that control heat transfer. Apply a continuous thermal break or insulation layer against the metal skin. Foil-faced bats, closed-cell spray foam, or insulated panels reduce cold conduction and stop surface dew points. Once done, extend insulation into eaves and around penetrations. Make sure seams are taped and vapor retarder installed on the warm side. Then, balance intake and exhaust. Ridge vents, soffit vents, or powered fans, sized to cubic footage, move air, and stabilize interior air temperature and moisture. Finally, complete trims and interior finishes while preserving the vapor barrier and vents. Install a dehumidifier sized to the building's cubic feet and control it with a hygrostat set to 40 to 50% relative humidity. Monitor readings daily after changes. Maintain roof and ground drainage to keep exterior metal cold, but dry. If condensation continues, troubleshoot by checking for thermal bridges, crushed insulation, blocked vents, or incorrect vapor retarder placement. Correcting those usually stops persistent sweating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.